Good evening, everyone. I'm Raouf, student in MIT University, Australia. Today I'm doing a project in system management, MN506, and I'm going to show you some knowledge and skills in order to analyze service management system. And after that we'll compare some tools. However, I'm using some tools for Linux. The tools are iotop, which is the operation system with Linux, and nmon, tools which provide the features for administration access for Linux as well. These two softwares that I'm using today, I used VirtualBox, and also I used an NCH application to record this video. Okay, now I'm using, as I mentioned before, NCH recording video just to capture the screen. However, using VirtualBox Kali, it's a little bit heavy system, so it might be like a little bit slow. So now I'm going to type these two commands and to go deeply each one. So first one, we'll open terminal 1, the terminal application, and I wanna type sudo apt get install iotop. That's first command. We make sure that we install the iotop, and we'll see if ready to go. So iotop is already the newest version, so already update the version, updated and installed. That's first one. So we need to make sure here that the iotop it's updated. That's the main important point. So I'm gonna type the second command that to see the iotop, sudo iotop. So here, as we see, there's too many information given on the screen. First, they will give you the total memory disk and the actual disk memory, and there is here as well total write, disk write, and the actual disk write. So it shows you all the routes here. From here, all the routes for all of them for one user, not only too many users, only one users. And it shows you exactly how many percentage on the swapping and the memory. That's the main the important point for this command. So we can go with, and I'm gonna write another command, which is sudo iotop. Here it shows you the same thing, but how many exact command working, and the total disk for that command. As we see here, the total root, it shows 3000 something, and before was different, and it shows you the same situation as well. The total disk read and the actual disk read, and the total disk write and the actual disk write. So that's the second one. Again, I'm gonna try another command. Okay, here, as we see now, there is too many information here and too many options. Like for example, letter A, if it's for ask pass, it's helpful for a program and for the password promoting. Like H1 to set home, the one I'll try it now, set home variable to target user home and display. And there is something else. There's too many things, by the way. Just I need to speak. I need to go further only to a couple of things, like letter capital S and small s, shell and stdin. So you can read, the system can read the password from standard input. That's the capital S, and the small s, it's run shell as the target user. A command may also be specified. So that's the main idea about the sudo. Now let me go further and go deep on the other command num. Okay, so let me start with the command sudo apt get install one. So that's the second command. As we see here, the command reading the package list, and the following new package will be installed for num. And after this operation, there is 171 kilobytes of additional disk space will be used. So as we see here, there's all the data still fetching and reading the database until to reach 100%. So setting up num and packing num, processing everything now setting up for this command. So we need to wait until 100%. And when it finish, we can check the num features. So there is too many features on this command. So that's the num, the different between num and sudo and the iotop. It's not that big of difference, but but somehow like the iotop being used the management system, and the other one using the administration platform. So now it's finished. So we can type the other command, which is num, to see all the features. So here, that's all the features for num. It shows here. So there is all the letters, like for example letter C goes use CPU, capital C the wide view, M memory, disk. Okay, so let we go with the M. Let me go with the memory. As we see the memory and the swap. How much memory? Total memory, it's 998. And the free, how much free memory? And the free percentage, 6%. So it shows you everything related to the memory. High memory, low memory, even the swap. So that's the memory one. And we can go with the disk one. See the disk? Here also the disk, all the information about the disk. How much this disk is going to be busy, if it's reading well or not, if writing well or not, everything related to the disk, even the capacity, even it shows you the warning contents. So everything related to the disk. That's two features. So we can write now you quit. We'll go back to the main command. So that's it. So as my previous part and my explanation about the commands, we have seen two tools which are iotop and num. These two tools have been used with the data management system, and another with administration platform. So we can tell as a conclusion we can use them to manage the software on Linux, and we also can see how this operating system on the Linux wise, and how it was the iotop, which is input output top, while the other one num, which is the privilege to have the access to administration, and more likely I think to use. So that's all. Thank you for watching.